Hey, what's up, guys? Today we have another unboxing, a Pokemon Go unboxing. We have 3 Pokemon Go booster balls, and then we also have the Shining Fates booster box that we're gonna open today. I also want to be reminding you guys that we do have a giveaway going on. It's the Charizard VMAX from the starter set. I believe this one comes in the Shining Fates. This one is the Japanese Charizard. It is graded, so I'm gonna try to pull the original English version of this from this booster box. And from the Pokemon Go balls, we're trying to pull the Shining, well, Radiant Charizard from these packs. So without further ado, let's get started. Before that, feel free to like, subscribe, and comment in order to enter in the chance to win the Charizard VMAX. I will be giving it away at 100 subscribers. Now, for these Pokeballs, I did have to go to several stores. I believe this one I got it at Walmart this morning. These were at GameStop. And this was at a different Walmart that I got this one from. So we're going to go ahead and do the Pokemon Go balls last. Simply because I want to get the Charizard out of the way at the end if I have them in here. So we're going to go ahead. And do the Pokemon Go balls last. We're going to do the Shining Fates booster box first. Okay, so this booster box does come with 5 Shining Fates packs, and it also comes with the jumbo card and the Bolton V card. So without further ado, let's get opening this booster box. So right off the bat, we have the jumbo art card. We have the Voltond V full art card. And then we have 5 of the Shining Fates packs. This is the Charizard that I'm trying to get in the English version. So let's get these down here. I want to save this pack for last, just because I feel like it's probably in there. We'll do the crows first, and then the last, whatever Pokemon that is. So I believe there is a card trick to this as well. It is going to be 4, so let's go ahead and do the card trick. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to say it's electric, but we don't know. Let's see. It was fire. Okay, so let's go. Cormorant, Ball Guy, Dartrix. I never understood the name of that one. Choodle, Spinarak, Koffant, Gossifleur, a Celebi. What? That's awesome. And an Indeedee. I believe that's how you say it. Okay, not a Charizard, but we got 4 more packs. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to say it's electric. It's water. That's fine. That's fine. Energy. Floatzel. Valky. Gym Trainer. Horsey, Kankina, Shinx, Rowlet. Oh, I skipped an Eevee, and oh, Birdkeeper full art, trainer art gallery, I believe. That's awesome. I gotta sleeve this one up. Bird Keeper. I still have yet to get the binder for the Pokemon cards. I'll probably order one on Amazon so I can start putting them on there. It's not a Charizard, but I'll take it. 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to say this one is Psychic. Fighting. Eldegoss. Dirtrix. Rusted Shield. Horsey. Koofant. Choodle. Yanma. Eevee. A Koofant. Oh, that's awesome. I like that. That's awesome art. And a non-holographic Juvenile. I like this. It has like a little matte finish on the card. That's awesome. All right, 2 more packs. Can we get that Charizard? Go open this one a little. Backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. Steel. Nope, dark. Okay. Move the trash out the way. Camarant. Ball Guy. Dirtrix. Coffee. Cacnea. Gossifleur. Snom. Trapinch. Ooh, Galarian Surfetched. That's awesome. I like that little foil on it. And a non-holographic Boss Order. That's cool. I like the Shining Fates art. 1 more pack, and then we go to our Pokemon Go. Let's hope this Charizard is in here. And if not, oh well. Okay. It's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I didn't guess it. Oh well. No Lightning. Ball Guy. Tropius. Rusted Shield. Rowlet. Trapinch. Snom. Grookey. Spinarak. Luxray. And a Manaphy. Non-holographic. So good. At least we got a trainer art out of this box. Sheesh. Alright guys, let me move these out of the way. I like this Celebi though. We can go over the cards that we got. Moving on, we have the Pokemon Go booster balls. I am going to be opening the Pokeball first, and the Great Ball, and then the Ultra Ball. Simply because the Ultra Ball is my favorite, and I hope this one's the one that has the Charizard. Alright, let's get going. The thing I like about these Pokemon Go balls is that you get 3 packs for $13. The box that I bought, the one that we opened right before these, that one was like $32 with taxes, and I feel like you don't really get your money's worth out of them. But with these, you get like stickers, you get 3 packs, and I feel like the odds on these is way better than the booster boxes. So I might be doing more of these. I do want to do an Elite Trainer box. I do also have a pre-order of the new set coming out, so I will be doing an unboxing of that set as soon as I get them in the mail. But okay, so here we have the Pokeballs unwrapped. Let's go start off with the Pokeball. So we do get 2 stickers, a Bulbasaur and a Moltres. Then we also have a code card for you people that play Pokemon Go. You go ahead and redeem those. Take a screenshot or something. And I think it gives you items, not quite sure. So yeah, Pokeball. 3 Pokemon Go box packs. So let's go. The first one. Damn. I'm gonna need scissors for this. Okay. So card trick is 4. 1, 2, 3. What the heck is that? 3 then? A V-Star. I don't know what this is. Alright, I want to say it's water. Okay, it's not water. Oh, so I think I did it wrong. I don't know why this one's in there. Okay, so we have Pokestop, Camera Xatu, Natu, Aim Palm, Slowpoke. We have a Bibarel, Pikachu, a Spark, and a Moltres. Oh damn! Now I have Moltres and I have Zapdos. Now I just need Articuno. Let's go next pack. So it's 1, 2, 3, 3. I believe it's 3. Was it 3? Yeah. Oh, we don't guess the energy on these, so unless I did the card trick wrong. Egg Incubator, Spinarak, Alolan Rattata, Bidoof, Charmander, Apom, Tyranitar. Is non-holographic, or is it holographic? It is holographic. Okay, so then the next one is the price. Another Charizard. Oh, and this Psychic. So it is 4 cards. It is not the Charizard I wanted, but it's a Charizard. So I'll take it. And Tyranitar. So it is 4. I don't know why the other pack was weird. I don't know why I did that. So let's try the next one. One, 2, 3, 4. I didn't guess it. Oh well. Ivysaur, Egg Incubator, Chansey, Alolan Raticate, Tranquil, Larvitar, Natu, Apom, Spinarak, and a Pikachu. Another Pikachu. This one feels thicker than the other one. It's awesome. Now I have another Pikachu. So next we're gonna do the Great Ball. Once again, we have code, the 2 stickers. What stickers did we get? We got Apom, or I think that's his name, Apom and Charmander. Here goes the code card for you Pokemon Go players. Screenshot, do whatever you gotta do. Man. No, I don't want to fuck it up. I mean, we already know what to be doing right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to say it's Psychic. Steel. Okay. We got a Pokestop, Camerapult, Xatu, Bidoof, Onix, Mirabelle, Melton, Magikarp, Spinarak, and another Pikachu. Now I have 3. I have a playset. That's awesome. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to say it's electric, water. Okay. We have a Solrock, a Spark, a Chansey, a Bulbasaur, Onix, Mirabelle, Slowpoke, Bidoof, Golispado. I don't know how to fucking say this. I don't know how to say this, but we got this. And another Moltres. Now I have 2 Moltreses. Last pack from the Great Ball. Let's go. Can we get another? Can we get the Charizard? Radiant Charizard in here. That's all I want. I just want that Radiant Charizard. 1, 2, 3. What the heck? Here's another. Well, I wonder what this was for. Why is this here? I'm gonna look it up why these V-stars are popping up. I want to say it's water. Oh, dang, I already opened up the last one. I messed that up. I wonder why they do that for this. Well, I got a Snorlax. We can go through these. Another Snorlax. So we have a Ivysaur, Pokestop, Larvitar, Natu, Apom, Slowpoke, Bibarel, and a Melmetal. So, last ball. Let's hope the Charizard is in here. This one's kind of damaged. It was the last one. It was the runt of the litter, so let's hope we have a Charizard in this runt. Oh. We have a Mewtwo sticker and we have a Melton sticker. We also have a set of these Pokemon Go codes. So go ahead and screenshot that, use them up because I'm not gonna use them. I don't play that. So I wonder what these are for. I don't understand why they're in there. Just a placement. So here we go. Coded trick. I didn't guess it again. Wartortle, Pokestop, Steelix, Natu, Apom, Slowpoke, Onix, Charmander, Anomal, and a Gyarados. That's awesome. I haven't got one of these yet, so that's my first Gyarados. Next pack, let's go. Oh, I'm opening some of these backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's say it's water. Nope, another steel. So we have Ivysaur, Wartortle, Rare Candy, Charmander, Eevee, Natu, Apom. Oh, I skipped. Larvitar, Alolan Rattata, and another Zapdos. Still haven't got that Moltres, but I got a Zapdos, another one, and Alolan Rattata. All right, last pack. Will the Charizard be in here? Let's go. Last pack. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. And I want to say it's electric. It's another steel. What the heck? Camerapult, Xatu, Blanche, Bulbasaur, Burabel, Onix, Slowpoke, Bidoof, Candela, and another Blastoise. That's awesome. Now I have two Charizards and 2 Blastoise. I got the regular Ivysaur and the shiny one. So I haven't got the shiny. I still need the shiny Blastoise. I mean the Radiant Blastoise and the Radiant Charizard. So for our shiny fates, we got a Luxray, a Galarian Sirfetch'd. I think this is a shiny one actually. This is a shiny Sirfetch'd. And this is a shiny Kuffin, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. I think this is why they're like this. An Eevee, a Celebi, and an Indeedee. I actually like opening the shiny fates. I like this artwork that they got for these. And we also got the Birdkeeper full art, our trainer gallery. Out of the Pokemon Go, we got a Blastoise, Alolan Rattata, a Zapdos, Numel, Gyarados, Melmetal, Snorlax, Spinarak, Moltres, whatever that is, Pikachu, Spinarak, Tyranitar, Charizard, Spark, and a Moltres. So I do want to remind you guys that we are giving away the Charizard VMAX Gem Mint 9 graded Pokemon card. This has a total of $120 to $150. If you want to enter multiple times on this giveaway, just go ahead and like and comment on. It's one like, one comment per video counts as an entry. So just go ahead and like and comment on a video, and you're automatically entered in the giveaway. But you do have to be subscribed to the channel in order for you to redeem your prize if you do win the giveaway. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.